use word system here. This is again, again, go back to the basic logic. This is the, you are going to connect a cell. Then what you're going to do, you're going to, this will, charge Q will come and deposit here. It will induce a charge, then altogether, so what happened here, minus Q charge, so plus Q charge will flow here. I think everywhere the thinking should be like this. Huh? We should, there's a background what we needed before entering into the problems. Huh? Because see, what is why we are thinking like this? Because we have only parallel plate capacitor idea. Therefore, everything what happened, I'm just trying to bring in terms of like similar to parallel plate capacitor. So somehow if I can get the potential difference, they're separated by a distance d. And d, I'll put it very much greater than a, very much greater. This is a given thing. So what is the potential of A? KQ by A. Potential of B? KQ by B. Is it like this? Shall we write? No. Even say like when you connected a cell, they are interacting. No. So what is the potential of shell A? Of this iron sphere A? KQA minus KQ by D. You have to look at this diagram. Without this diagram, no way you can get into the problem. What is the potential of point A? Potential point A. So what you are going to write, KQ by A because of this charge minus KQ by D. Similarly, the potential VB equal to minus KQ by B plus KQ by D. So let's go for capacitance. How you define charge by potential difference VAB. We'll calculate VAB first. VAB means VA minus VB. So KQA minus KQD so this will become KQA so what is the basic idea of capacitance? Capacitance should be equal to Q by VAB. So I'll substitute this Q KQ by A KQ by B. So this will be 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by A. This is the capacitance of the system.